Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be doing question 11 from 1.2 exercises in James Stewart calculus. To ask to find an expression for a cubic function with the following information: f of 1 gives you 6, and f of minus 1, f of 0, and f of 2 gives you 0. The second part tells you that you have an x-intercept of minus 1, 0, and 2. In terms of cubic functions, you'd express it as follows. So you have an a, just like you would with quadratic functions. Then you have x of minus the first x-intercept, so that will be plus, then x of minus the other intercept, and finally x of the last x-intercept. These give you 0, essentially. And this is when you substitute each of them. So if you substitute each of these in here, you're going to get 0. That's what that second part means. And you can express the function like this because it's made up of its x-intercept, or it's made up of its roots. That's what these things are. So this is a good start, and we can use the first piece of information. So f of 1 gives us 6. So we're going to substitute f of 1 is 6. So in place of f of 1, we can replace that with 6, and which means that we have 6 equals a. Then wherever we see x, we're going to substitute 1. So 1 plus 1, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 2. So this is 6a, 2, 1 plus 1, 1 minus 0, 1, then minus 1. So if you multiply these, you're going to get minus 2. So if you divide both sides by minus 2, you should get an a of minus 3. So now a step closer to finding the expression. We have an a of minus 3. So you can substitute it back there and replace all of the roots as well. So you can just write x minus 0 as x. From here, we can just multiply, and that will give us an expression, or the answer which we're looking for. And to multiply through here, you can do them in pairs. So let's start with this and that. So let's multiply those together. We're going to get x squared and then x. Then that will be multiplied by x minus 2. You're going to get x cubed minus 2x squared and plus x squared minus 2x. At this point, you can see that these are common, so x minus 2 would be minus 1. So yeah, we can just add this extra step just so we're on the same page. Okay, we've now simplified that bracket, and we're ready to multiply through by minus 3 now. So if you multiply through by minus 3, you're going to have minus 3x cubed plus 3x squared plus 6x. And that there is the expression of this cubic function, and we got that from this information.